This is the fifth video on the summary of Battery Day. It covers the optimizations they made to the manufacturing process. These optimizations are possible due to the two inventions discussed in the two previous videos, tabless design and the dry battery process.
The key to a high-performing assembly line is accomplishing processes while in continuous motion. Together with our internal design team that makes this equipment and designs this equipment, we coupled thinking about how to make the best cell with thinking about how to make the best equipment so that we could accomplish the fastest parts per minute rates on all of these tools. We were able to get to one line, 20 gigawatt hours, 7 times increase in output per line.
A factory that's moving at, say, twice the speed of another factory is equivalent to two factories, basically. How do we, with one factory, achieve what maybe 5 or even 10 factories would normally be required to achieve?
And the vertical integration with the machine design teams at Groman and Hybar and others allows us to accomplish that.
Basically, Tesla is aiming to be the best at manufacturing of any company on Earth. Tesla will be absolutely head and shoulders above anyone else in manufacturing. That is our goal.
Okay, now let's talk about formation. In a typical cell factory, formation represents 25% of the investment. And what is formation? It's charging and discharging cells and verifying the quality of the cell. We've charged and discharged billions and billions of cells in our vehicles, so we know a thing or two about that. The typical formation setup is you charge and discharge each cell individually. In our car, we charge thousands of cells at once. And we took our principal and our power electronics, leveraging Powerwall, vehicle battery management systems, and others to dramatically improve the formation equipment cost effectiveness and density. 86% reduction in formation investment, 75% reduction in footprint.
What this translates to is about a 75% reduction in the investment per gigawatt hour. It's 4 times better than the current state of the art to the best of our knowledge. You can see, basically, we can get a terawatt hour in less space than it took to make 150 gigawatt hours. This is just talking about Tesla internal cell production. So this is 100 gigawatt hours supplemental to what we buy from suppliers. And then long term, we're expecting to make on the order of 3,000 gigawatt hours or 3 terawatt hours per year.
Let's take a second to see what that means. 75% cost reduction means that for 1.6 times the price of a 150 gigawatt hour gigafactory, you'll get a terafactory that produces 1 terawatt hour. That is 1,000 gigawatt hours per year, so 6.6 times as much as the current gigafactory.
It's also an additional 18% reduction in dollar per kilowatt hour at the battery pack level.
If you want more on the Tesla Battery Day, you can continue with the next video, or you can go to the first video that provides an overview of all the videos.